bigtractorpower.com is at the 2016 National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. We're here with Tom Draper of the AGCO Corporation, taking a look at the new Sunflower 9830 Narrow Transport Air Drill.
Thanks, Jason. We're awfully excited about this new addition to the Sunflower lineup. Lots of very, very good features that we've introduced on this planter that's going to drill, I should say, that sets us apart from the competition. A couple of criteria in developing the 9830 was that we wanted operators to increase their efficiency overall. Several ways in doing that: increasing onboard capacity, increasing their speed in the field, reducing their time to service, maintain, and to set the machine, calibrate the machine. So we've incorporated a lot of that into this machine, as well integrating technology into the machine so that we've got better management of the seed in the field. So with the 9830, a few of the key features. First of all, 175 bushel onboard tank, actually two tanks, 100 bushels, 75 bushels. The ability to plant dual hybrids of beans and wheat, so for any small grains that capability exists. We're putting fertilizer on with seed as well. Narrow transport was a key feature that we've developed. 12-foot transport width on the 9830.
What is the working width on it?
Working width is 30 feet.
Okay.
And we have section control as well on this, down to 10-foot sections, so 3 10-foot sections on it, Jason. As well with our seed hopper meters, we have the capability of a better metering system that's more accurate, and along with that, our ability to provide turn compensation. So variable rating, zone control, large hopper, narrow transport, and high-speed drilling. 8 to 10 miles an hour is typical of this drill. We utilize the single disc opener that we've utilized on our other 9000, 9800 series drills, air drills. Very simple in nature, very easy to maintain, with only 4 or 5 grease zerks, low maintenance requirements, and high reliability, high wear life. Many of our units have thousands of acres on it with very little wear, so we're pretty pleased with the row unit incorporating it in this configuration, and a narrow transport, large capacity tank.
Well, thank you, Tom, and congratulations to the AGCO team. They got an AE50 award.
That's right, Jason. This is the winner of the AE50 award, as presented by the American Society of Agricultural and Biological Engineers. So we accepted that award yesterday on behalf of Sunflower and AGCO Corporation. So we're pretty pleased with what our engineers have put together based on our criteria. So we're pretty excited to get to the marketplace with it.
Well, thank you. I'm going to take a walk around and look at that narrow transport feature. Thank you.
So then, basically that's what